Welcome back to Health for You. Did you know the air inside your home can be more polluted than outside? Everyday items like air fresheners, cleaning supplies, and even furniture release invisible toxins. But there's a simple, natural solution. Houseplants. Today we'll reveal 8 of the healthiest houseplants that clean your air, boost your mood, and transform your home into a personal oasis. Let's jump right in. Meet the spider plant, a resilient, low-maintenance favorite for beginners. Its arching green and white leaves brighten any space and it thrives with minimal care. The spider plant is a proven air purifier, removing toxins like formaldehyde and xylene, according to NASA studies. It reproduces by sending out runners with baby spiderettes you can easily pot and share. Plus, it's non-toxic to pets, making it a safe choice for animal lovers. Place it on a desk, shelf, or in a hanging basket. This plant fits anywhere. The spider plant is a true air cleaning hero that keeps on giving. Start your indoor garden with this forgiving, powerful plant. Next up, the snake plant. Bold, upright, and nearly indestructible. Its modern look suits any decor and it thrives on neglect, tolerating low light and infrequent watering. Uniquely, it releases oxygen at night, making it perfect for bedrooms and better sleep. The snake plant filters formaldehyde, xylene, benzene, and trichloroethylene from the air. For style, resilience, and nighttime air purification, the snake plant is a must-have. Add one to your home for a striking, healthy upgrade. Bring color and clean air together with the chrysanthemum. These vibrant blooms filter ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene, making them top air purifiers. Place them in bright, indirect light and keep the soil moist for weeks of color and purification. A word of caution: chrysanthemums are toxic to pets, so keep them out of reach. Enjoy their beauty and air cleaning power as a temporary, stunning addition to your home. Think of them as a living air freshener that also cleans. For a burst of color and cleaner air, try a chrysanthemum. The ficus, or weeping fig, is an elegant indoor tree that detoxifies your home. It targets pollutants from furniture and carpets, filtering formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. Ficus thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers a consistent routine. Avoid overwatering and sudden moves. It can be dramatic, dropping leaves when stressed, but recovers with patience. Note: ficus is toxic to pets, so place it safely. For homes without pets, it's a beautiful, effective air purifier. Anchor your space with a ficus for lasting style and cleaner air. Dracaena plants come in many shapes and colors, making them a designer's dream. They're excellent at filtering benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene, perfect for newly decorated rooms. Dracaenas prefer bright, indirect light and like their soil to dry out between waterings. Their dramatic leaves add height and texture with minimal care. Caution: Dracaena is toxic to pets, so keep it out of reach. For pet-free homes, Dracaena is a stylish, low-maintenance air purifier. Add one for a bold, healthy statement. English ivy is a classic vine that thrives in humid, low-light spaces, making it perfect for bathrooms. It's especially good at reducing airborne mold and filtering formaldehyde and benzene. Let it trail from a hanging basket or climb a trellis for a lush green look. English ivy is toxic to pets, so hang it high and out of reach. It's a living air filter that targets bathroom-specific pollutants. Add English ivy for a fresher, healthier bathroom. The peace lily is known for its elegant white blooms and glossy leaves. It increases humidity, helping to suppress dust and allergens in dry homes. The peace lily removes ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene from the air. It's easy to care for. Just keep it in medium, indirect light, and water when the leaves droop. Important: it's toxic to pets and children, so keep it on a high shelf. For beauty, humidity, and cleaner air, the peace lily is a top pick. Bring tranquility and purity to your space with this plant. Aloe vera is a sun-loving succulent with powerful air-purifying and healing properties. It removes formaldehyde and benzene, making it ideal for kitchens and living rooms. The gel inside its leaves soothes burns and cuts, nature's first aid kit at your fingertips. Aloe vera thrives in bright, direct light and needs little water. It's mildly toxic to pets, so keep it out of their reach. For a plant that cleans your air and heals your skin, aloe vera is a must-have. Add it to your sunny windowsill for health and beauty. Houseplants do more than clean air. They boost mood, reduce stress, and even improve productivity. Caring for plants connects us to nature and brings calm to our busy lives. Whether you choose a spider plant or a peace lily, there's a perfect plant for everyone. Tell us in the comments. Which plant will you bring home first? Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more healthy tips from Health for You. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and grow a little green in your life.